You know, getting an injury in a football match, that is pretty much part and parcel of the whole deal. Your team medic will be there for you, but if it is in more serious a case, then perhaps you might need an ambulance.
That's right, but unfortunately, that second option, it didn't work out for who, Steve?
Mario Cuellar.
Yeah, he's a top-flight Bolivian footballer. He fractured his ankle. He was stretchered to the ambulance on standby. What happened?
Yeah, the driver, nowhere to be found. So that meant that poor Cuellar lumbered around the streets looking for a taxi to take him to hospital. Now, we do wish him a speedy recovery. As for the ambulance driver, he did arrive in the stadium later and hope he had a valid excuse for his no-show.